Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ClickBank Gravity alerts for product research. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure ClickBank Gravity alerts for product research, start by logging into your ClickBank account. Once logged in, navigate to the Marketplace section. In the Marketplace, use the search bar to find products relevant to your niche. On the results page, locate the Gravity column. Next, click on the drop-down menu to filter the products based on gravity. Select the gravity range that fits your research needs. Take note of the products that meet your criteria. Now, go to a new tab in your browser and open your preferred email service. Create a new email and label it for your ClickBank alerts. In the email body, jot down your selected gravity range and any specific keywords relevant to your research. Save this email as a draft for later use. Next, install an IFT account if you haven't already. Once your IFT account is set up, create a new applet. For this section, choose RSS feed as the trigger. Insert the URL for ClickBank's RSS feed for new products. Now, move to that section and select email or any notification service you prefer. Customize the email template to include details about the updated products based on your gravity criteria. Make sure to connect this applet with your email. Activate the applet and review the settings to ensure everything is correct. After activation, you'll receive alerts whenever new products meet your gravity specifications. Periodically check your email for these alerts. This system will streamline your product research on ClickBank. Make adjustments to your filters as needed based on your research outcomes. With this setup, you'll stay informed about high-performing products effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.